Hi everyone, I'm Karen Das and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you about one of my very favorite serums of all time, which is the Niacinamide serum, and how this serum has helped in terms of transforming my skin texture, improving my overall skin tone, and also fading away my acne marks. So stay with me right till the very end of this video because I'm going to be telling you about one of those products that I have been using. So before I get into the details of which product I have been using, first of all, I would like to tell you a little bit about what is niacinamide, when do you exactly use it in your skincare routine, and how effectively it's going to help you in terms of improving your skincare game. Not many people know this, but niacinamide is actually a form of vitamin B3. And vitamin B3 is something that we already consume in our foods. So for vegetarians, there is green peas, mushrooms, potatoes. For non-vegetarians, there's chicken, liver, and a lot of other items. But one thing to remember is that even though when we are consuming these foods, right, which are rich in vitamin B3, our body may not be capable or have that kind of strength to absorb this nutrient to the maximum potential, which is where our digestive system is not able to absorb that nutrient to its core. And for that reason, you need to consume vitamin B3 in other forms. So when it comes to your skin, vitamin B3, which is basically the form of the niacinamide active ingredient, is something that you can definitely incorporate in your skincare routine. So niacinamide actually plays a very important role in terms of reducing the oil production, excessive oil production in your skin, controlling the acne, fading away your acne scars and blemishes. It also helps in terms of reducing dark spots, reducing the fine lines, and helps in terms of anti-aging. And overall, it kind of repairs your skin barrier and also helps in terms of improving your overall skin texture. I want to make this very, very clear that this is not a sponsored video. This is just me again talking about one of my favorite products that has actually helped me in terms of improving my skin texture. The product I'm going to be talking about is the 10% niacinamide serum from the Derma Co. So this is one of the brands which is recommended by dermatologists, and I started using this serum from the last 5 to 6 months, and it has really helped in terms of improving my skin texture. I could notice the difference within the first 2 weeks of its usage. So this product contains 10% of niacinamide, which is its core ingredient, and I've already spoken to you about what exactly niacinamide does to your skin. Another important ingredient that it also contains is zinc. Now, how is zinc helpful? So zinc really helps in terms of reducing inflammation or redness. So many a times when we get acne, right, our skin tends to become red and inflamed because that particular part of your skin where you've already got a lot of acne, a lot of pimples, it is already aggravated, right? It's already inflamed because of the clogged pores. And while a lot of people, especially who have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, they tend to observe this more. Sometimes there's a bit of confusion as to how do you use serums, especially directly on your face when they are concentrated, right? But there's nothing to worry. There's a certain technique of using this particular serum, and it's very simple. So what you need to do is after you wash your face, the first thing that you need to do is you apply this directly. A lot of people tend to also use toners, which are like just simple rose water hydrosols or simple toners that don't have too much of complex chemical ingredients in it. But I would suggest that after you wash your face, you can directly apply 3 to 5 drops of this directly onto your skin and do not rub it. Very important. A lot of people I have seen out there, when they actually apply serum, they start rubbing it and massaging it into their skin. Do not do that. All you have to do is, because these ingredients are active, you can just directly apply 3 to 5 drops on your skin and then just start gently dabbing it. One of the good things about this particular Derma Co niacinamide serum is that it is totally sulfate-free, paraben-free, allergen-free. It does not contain any kind of minerals or dyes. So if you're looking for something very pure in terms of niacinamide and zinc that can help you in terms of tackling your acne marks, fading away those stubborn acne marks, then this is something that you can definitely rely upon. Talking about the packaging, this product comes in a glass bottle. So one is that it is environment friendly, and secondly, because it's in a glass bottle, it actually preserves the effectiveness and the composition of the ingredient. You do not end up losing out on the effectiveness. and especially because there are so many other brands out there who actually tend to use plastic bottles for serums, which is not good. So that's one thing what I really like about this particular product from Derma Co. Talking about the quantity and the price, this niacinamide serum from Derma Co comes in a 30 ml bottle and it's priced at around 496 rupees. But if you choose to buy it from Amazon or Nykaa or any other e-commerce platform, the price may vary a bit depending on what kind of discounts or offers are available at that point of time. 490 rupees for this 30 ml pack, the pricing is still justifiable. Talking about the consumption and how soon you'll be able to consume this thing, well, if you decide to use this both in your AM and PM routine, both morning and night, every single day, you'll be able to finish this whole bottle by 1 or 2 months time. And if you decide to use this maybe let's say once in a day, either AM or maybe in the night, then you'll be able to consume this like around 3 months time. Within 3 months, you'll be able to finish this thing. And if you decide to use this once or twice a week, which ideally you should not, you should try to use it more frequently. But still, if you decide to use it like once or twice a week, then within 5 to 6 months of time, you should be able to consume this bottle. So earlier, I used to have like a lot of open pores in my skin, especially when I had a lot of acne marks and a lot of blemishes. But with prolonged use of this particular niacinamide serum from the Derma Co, I was actually able to see a lot of difference in my overall skin texture. And of course, there will be times wherein due to hormonal changes or due to stress or any other external factors, you tend to get acne, and there's not much you can do to control that, right? But what you can actually control is how you're going to tackle those acne marks. So in that sense, the Derma Co niacinamide serum has been very effective in terms of reducing my overall blemishes and acne scars. So I would really recommend using this one. With consistent usage of this niacinamide serum from Derma Co, I was actually able to see a difference even in my skin tone. Like earlier, my skin had a lot of dark spots, a lot of dullness, especially in those areas where I had acne scars. But within 2 to 3 months of using this particular serum, I actually noticed that my skin tone started getting a little lighter, a little brighter, and especially that it was able to control existing acne scars, right, from recurring, especially because sometimes, especially with a person like me, I tend to get acne on the same areas where I've got before. And I know this is like a very common problem that people face, unless of course you have like this really acne prone skin. So if you're looking to reduce acne marks, improve your skin texture, brighten your skin tone, then this particular niacinamide serum from Derma Co is definitely worth the buy. If you too have been using this niacinamide serum from Derma Co, then do write in the comments section and tell me how it has really worked for you. Also, if there have been any other niacinamide serums that you've been using, then tell me about that as well. And if you want me to do a product review or if you want me to talk about any skincare topic, I would be happy to talk about that. If you've got any questions, any queries, do write that as well in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and share this with your friends. I make videos on skincare and hair care, be it routines, product reviews, and lots more. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.